So today we're going to see what is Selenium and how to use Selenium. So before proceeding with the Selenium, there are prerequisite software that needs to install on your machine. One is JDK, another one is Eclipse. So you can find the link in my description on how to install and how to configure both the prerequisite software. So today we're going to see how to integrate Selenium libraries to Eclipse and how to launch the browser. So for this, you need to go to Chrome browser to download the libraries from Selenium website. So this is the official website, Selenium HQ. So you can directly go to the site and scroll down. You can find the section Selenium client and WebDriver language binding. So Selenium supports Java, C#, Ruby and Python. So here we are going to see for Java. So I am going to download the Java version. So the latest version is 3.14.0. Don't worry. Every week there will be a patch activity for the defect. It has been raised by people. So the version will be keep on changing. So don't worry about the versions. So Selenium is an automation tool. So whenever there is an automation, the browser needs to be initiated, and Selenium supports only web applications. So for web application, of course, we need to invoke the browser. So for invoking the browser, there is a file called driver that needs to be downloaded in your system to invoke Chrome browser, Mozilla, or depend upon your requirement. So today my convenience is to go with Chrome driver. So to download, you need to click on this latest button. If you want the Mozilla, click on latest button. That is a link, so you can go ahead. So I am clicking on the latest link, and the Chrome driver 2.42 is the latest version. It offers me to download it in 3 operating systems. One is Linux, another one is Mac, and Windows 32-bit version. So I am going for Windows version. So I have downloaded both the versions, which is available in my downloads. So I'm moving these files. I have already created a folder, Selenium library. I'm pasting here. Extracting these libraries here. Extracted. So another one is Chrome driver. So I have extracted all the files. So here you see there are 2 library files that are here, and underneath there are few more. So you need to include all these library in your Eclipse to run your Selenium script. So I'm going back to Eclipse. So I'm creating a new Java project. So this is for part 1. So let me create part 1. Part 1 Selenium, finish. So expanding, directly going to source, right click, add. I think my Eclipse got a hang. It's coming. New class. This is sample file to launch. The Java file is invoked here. So here, always the Java program will start executing from main function. So we need to include the main function here. So done. The errors are gone now. Now I need to do a system property settings. So to do that, we need to go to system.property. 2 arguments needs to pass here. Let me tell you what is these 2 arguments. WebDriver.Chrome.driver and path of the driver. So this is a path which we have, this is a file which we have extracted from the Chrome driver. So going here, doing Chrome driver.exe. I have copied that, going back, giving the link and semicolon. Now error gone. So next, this is Java code. I repeat, this is Java code, but these properties will be utilized by Selenium. So next we have to write Selenium function. So driver equal to new Chrome driver function. We are getting error because we are not imported. Okay. So here it's not asking the import function. So what I have did is we haven't imported the libraries. We have just downloaded, but we haven't imported. So go to Java build path, go to third option libraries, click on external JAWS. Selenium is an external JAWS, and go there and go to the folder where you have kept your library files. First I am selecting these two files. Then again add external libraries, selecting everything and open. Done. So apply and close. So it will be refreshed now. Yes, refresh is done. Go here and import the file now. Import Chrome driver. Import WebDriver. So now the error is gone. So what this line will do is WebDriver. WebDriver is nothing but it's an idealized web browser. So whenever you are opening some site like google.com. So whenever you are opening a browser, there are certain elements will be loaded. I have clicked on F12 to open the developer tool and clicking on inspect element and going to the input box. See here the input. This is one element. And when I am going here, this is a button, input value again. So we are having different elements here. Submit, search, icon. So these all are elements. So WebDriver is an idealized web browser. So it will control the browser. Okay. Through its web element. Web element is nothing but what we have seen here. This is the web element. So this will control the web elements and act as idealized web browser. Okay. Now we have created an object driver. This is an object we have created. Object creation. Now I am calling with my driver.get. This is a method. And I have to insert the URL. If you want to open any application that needs to be launched from Selenium, you have to give those URL. Okay. So I haven't finished the double quote. Yes, done. So what it will do now? Now it will launch and it will be loading the google.com. So I have right clicking and run as Java applications. So now it should launch the Chrome browser and it should open google.com. Let's see. Successfully we have done with the first step and second step is success. See here Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. You can ignore that, that's not an issue. So we are success with the part 1. So let's catch up in part 2. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.